the drops of rain are just starting. It did not storm at night as it was predicted to. I think I slept pretty decently. I woke up quite a bit, but I mean, with like 12 people in a shelter, I think that's to be expected. There is no privy here at this shelter, so I'm gonna try and dig a cat hole very quickly before it starts pouring down rain. I don't know how much footage I'll get today because of how rainy it's going to be, but I will try to keep you guys updated on the day. It has begun. Grass hits your legs, so even if I weren't getting wet from the rain, my feet and legs are already soaked because the grass is wet and is rubbing up against them. It was just pouring quite a bit more, and I was trying to get my phone out to document this for you guys, but my phone was so wet it would not open. I couldn't even get my fingers to slide. It wouldn't acknowledge anything, so I'm both hot and cold at the same time. I'm sweating, so I'm wet from sweating, but I'm also soaked from wearing a poncho instead of a rain jacket. My arms are soaked. Every time we think we're at the top, there's just more to climb. And I guarantee there's more to climb after that spot up there. All right. That was like another 20 minutes of uphill, and I think we finally reached the top, at least of this peak. It's now a stream. The trail is just a stream or a river flowing downhill. And we still have 0.4 miles to get to the top of this mountain. But then that should be the last steep ascent and climb. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're at the top. And God brought us some sunshine. Yeah. 2 miles to the first shelter. I thought we saw 0.2 of the steep incline to go, and we do not. We are here, and I can see the idea of the sun. All right, I just had fall number 2. I fell and bit it. I don't know if you can see my butt. Can you show them my butt, Snowbird? This is her butt post-fall.
It's a little bit muddy on the legs.
But, you know what? Look at this. Oh, my hat is flying away. Ah, the Smoky freaking mountains. Look at them. They're beautiful. This is the first good view we've had, I think.
Yeah, geez.
Yeah. Wow. It is a warm wind. Wow.
I haven't had to break that the emergency peanut butter yet. Today is the day.
Chicken, rice, and eggplants.
Should be good for you.
Oh, it feels so good. It's so warm.
Is that peanut butter in a squeeze tube?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy. I thought it was lubricant for something, like for machinery.
No, actually,
It kind of does look like makeup or something.
my wife actually, I learned this from the Girl Scouts of all things. They would do this all the time.
We could give you a makeover.
We did a train ride. It was awesome. We went out into the desert and they fed you food. And you go out these open air cars and they tell you the history. You know.
It's a little bit after 8. This video is probably shaky because it's so, oh my gosh, stop it. Okay, it's a little bit after 8 o'clock. It is freezing. I know I'm like vibrating from shaking. There's barely a fire left going. There's like embers, but it's so, the wood is so wet. We don't have any more wood to burn, but it's not bad inside. I am going to, everybody else is pretty much, other than Wacky, is pretty much in their sleeping bags, cuddled up right now. And I think I'm about to do the same. So I will say good night, and hopefully we have a better hiking day tomorrow. Good night.